Okay, so welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about simple interest, and we're going to do an example of how to calculate simple interest using that formula, I equals PRT. So in this case we have $1,250 is invested for 6 months at an interest rate of 8.5% per year. Find the simple interest earned. Okay. Now the first thing you notice is what's the time period? The time period, so this is our T. Okay, that's the time period. This is our principal. Okay, and this is the interest rate, R. And we want to know what the interest is. Now, the other thing too is notice that this is per year and the time is in months. So we've got to make sure the units match. So years got to go with years. So this we're going to write as half a month, half a year. Okay, 6 months is equal to half a year. Okay, so when you use the formula, I equals PRT, we want to make sure again units for rate and the units for year or for time match. So the principal is going to be $1,250 times the rate as a decimal. So again, this is 8.5%. So 8.5% is the same as 0.085. And then time, we're not going to write 6 months. If you write 6 months, you're going to get the wrong answer. We want to write it in years, so we're going to write it as half a year. Now, we're ready to calculate, okay? And so if you stick this in your calculator, you get an interest of 53.125. And of course, we want to round that to the nearest penny. And so the amount of interest is $53.13. And that's how you calculate it. Okay. Now, if they wanted to ask what was the total amount of money that they have, then you just take the amount of interest and add it to the principal. So the accumulated amount, right, the amount that it accumulated to over the 6 months would be the $1,250 plus the interest, $53.13, which would then be equal to $1,303.13. So now that's not the question that they asked, but again, they could ask something like this. So here's the answer. The interest, the simple interest earned is $53.13. And then, hey, what if they wanted to know what the total amount in the account after the 6 months? Well, it'd be the $1,250 plus the interest. Okay, that's it. See you next time.